Coming up next, a clever trick involving laminate flooring and duct tape. Once again, the trusty ballpoint pen comes to the rescue. But this time, you'll need the barrel, not the ink part. Handy, right? This pro totally fixed her problem of reaching those tricky fasteners in a flash. The creator of the video shares a great tip: you can reuse glass jars. What's your take on this method for removing the rear tail light? You want to know the secret to hanging whiteboards perfectly? It's just a level, masking tape, and a marker easy as pie. A wall plug being used in an interesting way. What do you make of that? These cool geometric videos fit perfectly in a compilation of satisfying clips. And the award for the best actor goes to this palette, pulling off a stellar performance as a tool stand. Here's a neat trick for pouring paint and other liquids from a bucket without making a mess. Just use 2 strips of tape and you're good to go. No more spills. People get super creative when they combine glue, bolts, and wrenches. People get super creative when they combine glue, bolts, and wrenches. Who knew? Ballpoint pens are actually the perfect companions for DIY enthusiasts. Here are a couple of tricks for working with wall plugs that'll not only make your day but also impress your neighbors. It's a clean job in every possible way. Managing cables is a breeze when you've got a pack of zip ties on hand. How about this unconventional duo, a pencil and a grinding disc? Quick thinking is key when you're applying something like plumber's tape. For this clever trick, you'll want some fast-drying glue on hand. Did you make sure the fuel tank lids on your equipment are tightly closed? Here's a handy tip for painters master the art of quickly and neatly packing away a roller. Those dents don't stand a chance against this craftsman wielding a homemade slide hammer. Our mechanics often amaze us with a whole array of smart tricks up their sleeves. Here's a nifty trick for keeping a dowel in place. Here's a smart swap instead of nails. A special rubber-coated screw does the job perfectly for treating tubeless tires. And this skilled person devised an alternative method for cutting drywall. Here's another handy way to use zip ties if you forgot to buy a cable raceway and you're short on time.